Before operation, please power off the machine. Make sure the control cabinet door is closed. Prepare a hydraulic forklift. Insert the forklift into the bottom of the machine, ensure machine at the middle position. Lift up the machine. Rotate the upper part of the wheel clockwise to remove it. You can rotate the nut to upper or lower position to adjust machine level. Prepare a new leveling caster to install. Rotate the upper part of the wheel counterclockwise to install. Make sure the wheel can rotate freely. Lower the machine gently. Rotate the gear counterclockwise to fix the wheel. Use the forklift to lift up machine slowly. Ensure machine at the middle position. Prepare 14 mm nut driver or wrench for later use. Rotate nut driver clockwise to remove studs. Here are the 4 holes to attach studs. Prepare a new wheel to replace. Fix 4 studs on machine bottom manually. Then use nut driver to fix them tightly. Rotate the nut driver counterclockwise to fix it. Rotate the gear clockwise to secure the wheel. Lower the machine to the ground gently.